everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cup pong game while you're stuck at home. So let's get right into the video. For this project, you're going to need 6 plastic cups. As you can see right there, I use clear ones, not those red ones. And I put 2 quarters and 1 nickel in each of the cups so it weighs it down. You're also going to need a ball. That one right there is a bouncy ball, and you can make a ball out of paper. So yeah. So here is the paper, and then all you need to do is just like crumble it up until you get like this size of a ball right here. As you can see, I have my kendama right here. It's about the same size as that if you also have one. And also check out the video I did on this, which was posted a couple weeks ago. So yeah, as you can see right here, this is a perfect size ball. This is actually scratch paper that I used when I had online Zoom meetings. So yeah, if you don't know how it looks like, basically you put 3 cups at the end, 2 cups in the middle, as you can see right there, and then 1 cup up top so that it looks like a pyramid. And if you use the 4 extra cups back there, that'll be 10 cups total, so you will need more items to weigh it down. So yeah, so first, the objective of the game is to make it into the cups so that you can improve your throwing, I guess. As you can see right here, I actually crumbled this up even more so that it's smaller and it can go in there easier. So yeah, this one, as you can see, kind of bounces a little bit. So yeah, so basically, if you're playing a 1v1 for cup pong, you're going to need 2 sets of this. So basically everything here times 2 so that you have the correct stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do a demo real quick. Okay, for the demo, I'm going to use my crumbled up scratch paper. So for instance, if I make it, which I did make it, so that right there is that cup. So as you can see, I'll take it out, and this is 1 player. So yeah, so then you just place that cup aside. Like, I'm just gonna put it right here for now so that you can have an idea. And then next you're going to try again, but then for this I'm gonna miss on purpose, so then that round you don't get anything. And then I'm gonna try again, and as you can see, I just made it, so I have to take this thing out. And then now that we have 4, it kind of looks a little weird, but like it's going to do the job. Okay, so here I'm going to, and as you can see, that was a miss, so that doesn't count, obviously. And then that one made it. And then as you can see, we took out 3 of the cups. So as you can see, 3 of the cups. So as you can see, we still have 3 left. So what we're going to actually do is put this like in a mini configuration right here. So yeah, okay, as you can see, we have 3 cups left. So I'm going to just purposely put it in for the demo real quick. So yeah, and as you can see, this is a piece of wood right here, so I can use it as a backboard. Oops. Let me go get that real quick. Okay, yeah, as you can see right here, whoops, okay, there we go. As you can see, it knocked over, but it still counts because it went in and it didn't fall out. So yeah, as you can see, 1 cup left, and this time I'm going to pretend I'm going to use this bouncy ball right here. For this, you can actually like bounce it all over the place, and I'm looking into the camera right now so that I know what I'm filming, but for this one, I'm just going to bounce it in. Oh, yep, that was first try right there. And we just won, or I just won this game of cup pong for 9 cups. And yeah, so the less tries you do all of this stuff, then I guess the more points you get. So yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you smash that like button because that really helps. And also make sure to subscribe for the 100 subscriber giveaway that's going to be coming when I hit 100. So yeah, the Rubik's Cube will be confirmed, and the gift card or the kendama is also confirmed. I don't know that much details about the gift card yet, but it's going to be there. So yeah, so make sure you have fun with this, and also make sure you don't do something stupid with this also. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.